Hey everyone, I'm Debbie Wright and I'm Style Director here at Lug, and I am so super excited to show you how I pack for a weekend getaway or even when I'm traveling for a few days of work. I love using our Porter Wheelie, and I've even gotten 4 to 5 days in this little guy, so I can't wait to show you some of my style hacks and how I'm able to do that. On the outside of this bag, I love outside compartments. This one is where I keep my wallet, my passport, so when I need quick access to those, they're nice and secure, but I know exactly where they are. On the outside of the bag, we have a nice retractable handle, which is so important when you're talking about a wheeled bag, but also, look at this, a nice little helper handle on the bottom to help with any lifting or when you're putting it on the table when you arrive. It's nice and easy to do that with our little helper handle. Getting on the inside of the bag, wait till I show you how I pack so many outfits into this nice, lightweight, convenient bag. I'm going to show you some of my style hacks, but first, this is my little choo-choo. This is what I use to carry vitamins, mints, any aspirin, anything for my family when they're with me. I like to store in this nice little organizer there. We also have our clipper, and this is how I stay protected, my heating elements, whether it's a flat iron or my curling iron or my daughter's. This is how we carry those nice and safely. I've got a pair of flip-flops. I usually carry or wear on me my heavier shoes, so whether it's a big pair of sneakers or boots, I usually wear those and just pack the lighter shoes in my luggage. Here is our trolley. This is how I carry our beauty supplies, my cosmetics actually. I put all the family supplies in here because I can't always rely that they're gonna remember everything, so I take care of that, and I can do so in this one easy, very well organized, full of compartments little beauty bag here. So I've got everything we need for the weekend. This is a little style trick of mine. This is how I travel with accessories, because this is how you instantly change up an outfit. I've got 3 necklaces I wrap in between 2 pieces of cellophane. It keeps them from tangling up and is really nice and easy to just kind of tuck away. Then a blazer. I always pack a nice lightweight blazer because you can dress up a pair of shorts. You can, if you're going to a restaurant where it's cool, you can keep warm, but they go over maxi dresses or with jeans. I fold them inside out so it keeps them from wrinkling. And I also try to find fabrics that are wrinkle resistant so you always look polished when you arrive. And then we have our cargo packing cubes. This is how I get so many outfits, so nice and neat, just right in there. This is where I have dresses, t-shirts, shorts, and the reason I get so much in here is because I layer them inside one another. So I even have my undergarments rolled under this dress right here, and this is how I have endless options, beautiful style, and I travel with ease with Lug by my side.